At the mouth of Lake St. Clair sits a jewel, a natural landmark, the first of 21 islands along the Detroit River. Peche Island, originally pronounced Peche after its French name, is a Windsor City park of roughly 80 acres. Accessible only by kayak, canoe, or boat, the island's surreal scenery and natural beauty are the result of rehabilitation efforts after years of human altercation and failed development. A series of trails trace through the island's forests, along its beaches, over bridges, and to wooden docks, offering idyllic views of downtown Detroit. For the astute observer, Peche Island's forests are alive with unique flora and fauna. On the water, an estuary of man-made channels is home to a complex ecosystem of migrating birds and marine wildlife. For an island so close to Michigan's industrial hub, this Windsor Park feels detached from its surroundings. Remote, a fine example of natural beauty in the Great Lakes region. Visitors to Peche Island are reminded to follow all park rules, and U.S. citizens must call the Telephone Reporting Center of the Canada Border Services Agency to obtain permission before their visit.